This question asks, audible sound has a frequency between which of the following? And we have 5 different answer options. Now, unfortunately, there's no way of solving this question through first principles or clever calculations. This is something that's experimentally determined and ultimately depends on the complex anatomy of the ear. So we can just jump to the conclusion here and say that the correct answer is B, between 20 Hz and 20 kilohertz, or in other words, between 20 and 20,000 Hz. Now, with that said, let's still go through each of these answer options and put them in context a little bit, starting with A. So on the one end of the spectrum, 450 Hz, this falls within the audible range, but on the other end of the spectrum, 720 kilohertz, this is an almost absurd frequency for a sound wave. This is essentially what's beyond the possibilities of wave generating capabilities. So this is certainly not the correct answer. Moving on to C, we also have 45 Hertz. This is also within the range, the audible sound range. But on the other end, 72 kilohertz is above anything that at least humans can hear. There are some animals who can hear ultrasonic frequencies that might be able to hear such a frequency. But in general, these frequencies are used for things like medical imaging, but certainly have no purpose to the human ear. Then we have D, between 20,000 and 25,000 Hertz. Well, that's actually beyond the range of the audible frequency range. So we already said that that range is between 20 Hertz and 20 kilohertz. So 20 kilohertz is technically within the audible range, but everything thereafter up to 25,000 Hertz is far too high. And then lastly, we have E, below 20 Hertz. And again, we said that the lowest frequency that is audible is about 20 Hertz, so below 20 is also not correct.